today I'm gonna play with the clear stamp of the month for October 2024 and the embossing folder of the month. They called Holiday Bestie for the stamp set. They're so cute. And check a Argyle, something like that, for the embossing folder. So let's play with it. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm gonna use this as a sentiment. I'm gonna use the gift from the Kabudu. That is a bunch of letterpress sentiments. They're quite nice. And here already stamped, color, and cut out my little character just to shorten up the video as much as I can. They are super cute. Okay, so on this panel, first of all I impress the sentiment, and then I emboss the top part and the bottom part, leaving the space for the sentiment in the middle. And I'm just gonna glue it in the center of my card. So the card is 6 by 4 inches, and the panel is 5 by 3. Something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but it just leave a nice border around. I could check the measurement, but I'm too lazy, sorry. If you need a measurement, just let me know. So I'm just gonna glue it in the center of my card base. And the first card is gonna be super simple. I'm just gonna put the little bear in the middle. And I'm looking for some foam, double-sided foam to use. I found a little panel on my drawer, so just gonna cut off a bit that is big enough to fill majority of my bear, and then a little bit for the section with the gift. It just need a bit more slimmer. There you go. I'm just gonna attach to the back of my bear, and that's it. As I said, super simple. First card. There you go. The sentiment says, sending you fuzzy feelings and festive cheers. As a final touch, we're gonna add a bit of sparkles with some gems. So I'm gonna use just the silver ones. And I'm just gonna scatter a couple of around. And the last one, and that's it. The card is done. Super easy, very simple. And that bear is adorable. Now, the second card, I already attached my panel on my card, and I use again the embossing folder of the month. And I better press my sentiment in a little arch panel, and I'm just gonna glue it on the emboss panel with some liquid glue. That's it, and just center it. This one said delivery, fairy wishes and penguin kisses. Penguin. And I'm gonna use this cutie together, the bunny and the penguin. I'm gonna use some foam square at the back. There you go. And the little bunny in front. That's it. And now again I'm gonna use some gems. This time I think I'm gonna use the pink ones. There you go. If I can if I can grab it. There you go, another one, and one over there. A small one close, oh no, a bigger one close by. There you go, I think 5 is enough. And the second card is done. Again, a very simple one. Now, this one had a bit more work. I create this panel with just with an arch die, and then I color with distress ink, and I did some splatter with white and some metallic watercolor. And now I just attach it at the base to Snowbank, and the one on front has got my Better Press message in it. And now I just glue the whole things on my, it's not directly on the card. I used a panel of watercolor cardstock, the same cardstock that I use for the snowbank, just to be a bit more I don't know the word. It doesn't come, but I think you know what I mean. And now I'm gonna do again a little bit, I'm gonna add a bit of sparkle with, this time I'm using clear iridescent sequin. And I'm just gonna put a couple around my adorable snowman. So they pick up the color of the background, and they are iridescent as well, so they got some kind of purplish effect. That's quite nice when you see in real life. I don't think you can see that much on the video, unfortunately. And that's it. Cute. And that is the 3 cards I made today. I'm just gonna put them all together. Very simple, quite easy and quick, and I enjoy. I hope you did as well. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe if you didn't yet, or to give us a thumbs up. All right, thank you. See you next time. Bye.